As an atheist, you might feel very okay about your life right now. You might say, well, I can just believe in what I want to believe and it doesn't matter at all. There's no God, you might say. But the thing is, when you die, there's no more control. You're no longer in control. And then you have to go where your destiny takes you, and even if you don't want to go, you have to go. That's the problem. You might be in control now, because God has given us choice, and we feel in control of our destiny right now. But the thing is, once you die, there's no more control. You've got no more choice in where you're going. You have to go where you are to go. No more choice. You might kick and you might scream, but you have to go. That's the thing, my friends. It's all well and good to be an atheist while we're living, because it's easy. We can get up and we can enjoy the day that God has made and not have to think about anything about God. But then you die and you go where you are forced to go. You see, once we die, then we cross over into the unknown, into no longer being in control. You will lose all control once you die. And if you start going to hell, even if you didn't believe in it in this life, but you still start going there after you die because you're without God, then you've got no control there either. And you end up in hell. You've got no control. It's all over. No more choosing your destiny. You chose it. You see, that's the thing. It's easy to be an atheist now, but it's not easy once you die. Because then you are no longer in control. And you can say, there's no God until you're blue in the face right now. But when you die, you are out of being in control. Don't find out when it's too late, my friend. Don't find out that you were wrong. And while it was easy being an atheist, you rejected Jesus Christ, who came in the flesh to save us from hell. You see, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. There is no other way to the kingdom of God. You can say there's no Jesus Christ. It doesn't matter. Because after death, you're no longer in control. Then you start finding out the truth when it's too late. It is on earth that we must believe. It is on earth we must accept Jesus and give ourselves to Him. Because if we do this on earth, then we will be saved. But after you die, you can't do this. There's no way you can then give your life to Christ. Don't leave it until it's too late. Make right now with the Lord.